How to fix Apple ID cannot be created at this time error on iPhone or iPad. Open your preferred browser and go to appleid.apple.com. Tap the sign in button and try signing in with your Apple ID and password. If you still can't sign in, open the Settings app on your device. Tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. If it's not updated, go back to General and tap on Date and Time. Turn on the Set Automatically option. Check if the issue is resolved. If not, open Settings again, go to General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. You should now be able to create your Apple ID. Thank you for watching.